Okay, here we are. This is our final result. The engraving is about 3 millimeters, if not a little bit more, a little bit deeper than 3 millimeters deep. I think it's gonna give a really good result. I haven't treated this with any food safe oil or combination of oils and waxes, which is typically what's recommended. I can't remember the name of it, but the true test is going to be when I put this to dough and make some cookies and try it, and we'll see what the results look like. But I'm pretty happy with this result. We ended up having to do 3 passes. We were trying to find the right combination of settings, and I don't think we're there yet, to be honest. But after these passes, we definitely have the kind of depth we need. But I think it's going to take another couple rolling pins to identify what the optimal settings are for efficiency, because this took about an hour and a half to make. So that is not practical, but we're gonna try again when the new rolling pins come in. So, but there you go, and I'll show you pictures of the cookies.